Hello, lovelies. Join me and let's prepare sweet and sour beef and vegetable sauce. Very simple and tasty. You will love every bit of it. But before we go on, please like and share this video. Subscribe if you have not yet done so, and leave a comment as well. Even if it's an emoji, that would be so fine. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to start by chopping our vegetables. So I'm making use of onions, carrot, bell pepper, cabbage, and also pumpkin, as well as spring onions. So use the vegetables that you prefer. So I'm done chopping my onions. Yes, you can also chop them into the sizes and the shapes that you want. So at this point, I'm going to chop my cabbage. Now, if you want this multi-fruit or multi-purpose vegetables and fruit chopper, I'll leave the link in the comment section. You can call the person and she will deliver one to you. So let's chop our cabbage, our carrot also. Please like and share this video. Leave a comment as well. So I'm done chopping my carrot also, and I'm going to chop my bell pepper, my green bell pepper. Okay, I also added cucumber to it. So just use the vegetables that you prefer. So I'm chopping my pumpkin as well. So this is it. So this, I'm also going to add chili to it, and what I'm doing is to chop the chilies and then take all the seeds from it. So I want a bit of hotness in my sauce. Yes, even though it's sweet and sour sauce, I want a bit of chili in it. Okay, so I'm taking all the seeds from it, and the seeds, I'm not going to throw them away. I'll add it to my ingredients and blend them. So I'm going to blend these ones. Yes, so you see these are the seeds, and I'm going to set the chili aside. Okay, so these are the vegetables that we are going to use: cucumber, bell pepper, carrot, how do you call it, pumpkin, cabbage, spring onions. This is my beef, my meat, yes, cow meat, and I've sliced or chopped them into smaller pieces. Yes, so this is it. Now I'm going to blend these ingredients: onions, garlic, bell peppers, ginger, and some spices. That I'm going to blend them together. Now I have my pan on fire. I'm adding my oil to the pan. I'm going to add my meat to it when it's warm a bit. Then I'm going to add the blended ingredients. So I added the seeds of the chili to the ingredients and then blended them. I'm adding some bay leaves also to it, and then adding some chopped onions. I also added the chopped chilies also to it. So I'm going to add some seasonings to it, salt also, and then I'm going to cover this and then give it time for it to cook. So I'm just adding white pepper also to it. So this is it. You see, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for the meat to be tender. Yes. And so at this point, you are checking on it, and I'm going to add my carrots to it. Now the idea is not to cook the vegetables for them to be tender, no. So adding my carrot, and then I'll cover for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, not too long on fire. Now I'm going to mix my mixture. So I have orange juice, lemon juice also, and then I'm going to add pineapple juice as well. So lemon juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, a teaspoon of sugar. You can use honey, and I'm measuring 80 ml of the dark soy sauce. Yes, then I'm going to add a full tablespoon of cornstarch also to it, and then I'll whisk and mix everything together very well. And so this is it, you see, mixing it very well. Now let's go and check on our vegetables. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add the pumpkins also to it, and then let it cook for just a minute, and that'll be fine. Yes, you don't want your vegetables to be very tender. No, you want some crunchiness in it. Okay, so I'm adding the rest of the vegetables, that is the cucumber and the bell peppers. Now at this point I will not even cover. I'm adding some chopped pineapples also to it. Yes, I'm not going to cover this at all, and I'm going to add my cabbage to it. Yes, so just add my cabbages to it, and then stir everything together. Then I'll add the rest of the chopped onions also to it, and then stir them together very well. And so at this point, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of the I'm going to add liquid mixture to it, because like I said, I don't want my vegetables to be tender, so I won't even cover and for it to cook for even a minute. So I'll just add the liquid mixture to it, stir everything together, and then cover for a minute for it to thicken up. Yes, for it to thicken up a bit. Yes, so just I'm going to cover it. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Okay, subscribe if you have not yet done so. So I covered it for a minute, and at this time, or at this point, I have off the fire, so there is no fire again. And I'm going to add the rest of the I'm going to add my spring onions to it. So I've off the fire now, so the residual heat is what will cook the spring onions. So this is it, you see our sauce. Yes, very thick looking, all delicious. You see, yes, so this is our sweet and sour sauce. Very simple but tasty and delicious. And so give this recipe a try, and you are not going to regret it. Then give me a feedback. Okay, and so I served this recipe with aroma rice. Yes, aroma rice. So guys, this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.